Hello everyone, welcome to Manual Education. So today in this video we will going to discuss about the short questions of visual or abstract reasoning in your upcoming MBA CET 2022. So what we can expect? Okay, कौन से types of question we can expect in your upcoming exam? So we will discuss all the types in this video, and one more thing is nothing but I will tell you the each and every types in detail also. So we'll give you the example of each and every types. Now let's discuss about the types of abstract reasoning. So the first type is nothing but counting figure, where you need to count the all figures. What we can see is nothing but कुछ में triangles दे रहेंगे, कुछ rectangles दे रहेंगे. So we need to find out how many triangles are there, how many rectangles are there. So we need to find out like this. Second question is nothing but classification analogy. So odd one out, or in analogy we need to find out one part is related to the other part, or we can say A is related to B, so in the such a way that C is related to what. Okay, so ऐसे questions रहेंगे. Mirror image and water image, very easy question. Finding next figure, so where you need to give us one series, and based on this series we have to find out the next figure. And next is nothing but your fifth number type is missing figure, where 4 or 5 figures are given, and in that some missing figure is given, so we have to find out that missing part. Okay, wrong figure, this is what exactly you have to do is nothing but this is nothing but your wrong number series जैसा था वैसे wrong figure series है. Okay, so some 5 or 6 figures are given, and in that figure we have to find out which one is wrong. Okay, according to logic. So let's see in detail. So big announcement for all MBA aspirants, those who are preparing for 2021 and 2022. So we have launched a specific YouTube channel. So उसका नाम है Man Your MBA Interest. You have to subscribe the channel immediately, because from 31st December 2021 we will not going to upload any video in this Man Your Education. So we will going to upload all the videos in Man Your MBA Entrance only. So subscribe this channel immediately. Man Your launch batches for MBA CET 2022. So what you will get in these batches, nothing but live classes, then books you will get, shortcut tricks, then doubt classes, recorded video, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be formed, 10,000 plus questions are there, mentorship will be provided to you. Just you have to do one thing is nothing but you have to contact on this number 8828581455. We have two mode of teaching. One is nothing but online, and other is nothing but classroom coaching also. So we have 3 branches. One is Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. You can contact to any branch if you located to near to any one of branch. You can also visit our website www.manuoredu.com/MBA-entrance. Now let's see the types in detail. So first type is nothing but analogy. Analogy related, see this, A is related to B. In the same way C is related to D. So first of all we need to find out A और B के बीच में relation क्या है. Okay, so if you see here, this is nothing but A और B के बीच में, so these 2 dots become 1. Okay, now ये blank थे, now it nothing but ये dot dark है. Okay, so this dark part is here. Now यहाँ पे जो होगा वो blank होगा obviously, और यहाँ पे 2 dots है, so nothing but यहाँ पे क्या होंगे, एक ही single dot होगा. So ऐसा option कहाँ पे, first is not there, second is not there, third is not there, so option 4 is your correct answer. So same way you have to do ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपको एनालॉजी के में मिलेंगे. सो फर्स्ट इज रिलेटेड टू सेकंड, सेकंड इज रिलेटेड, सो सेम वे यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट फॉर थर्ड रिलेटेड टू व्हाट. क्लासिफिकेशन, दिस इज नथिंग बट योर ऑड वन आउट. ओके, रॉन्ग नंबर सीरीज जैसे बोला था, रॉन्ग नंबर सीरीज वैसे ही ऑड वन आउट, और वी कैन से ऑड फिगर हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना होता है. सो दिस इज ऑड वन आउट, और वी कैन से क्लासिफिकेशन. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट विच वन इज ऑड वन आउट. तो कमेंट योर आंसर, क्या होगा आंसर आप कमेंट कर दो. Missing figure, so this is also very easy part. Okay, see this is this part is given, and यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कुछ part is missing, this part is missing. So what you have to do is ये दोनों को अगर हम लोग यहाँ से connect करते हैं, so it will become like this. Okay, so first and second, if I merge first and second, then I will get third. So same way, what exactly I have to merge? तो ये missing मुझे find out करना है. So the answer is option number D. So if I merge this D, then see, this is nothing but this is like this. Yeah, so if I merge this, then I will get option C figure. So ऐसा option कहाँ पे, option number D. Next is nothing but finding next. So problem is given here, 1 2 3 4 5 figures is given, so you have to find out the next. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको pattern check करना है. So if you see this arrow move anti-clockwise here, then it moves anti-clockwise here, then it moves anti-clockwise here, then it moves anti-clockwise here. Okay, so same way we have to find out next क्या होगा. Okay, so next is what? So answer in comment box. Next is counting figure. बहुत easy होता है, इसके लिए आपको कुछ important tricks पता होने चाहिए. So if you know the tricks, then you can easily solve this kind of questions. So how many triangles are there in the figure? Okay, so इसका भी आंसर कमेंट कर दो. The answer is 14, but try करो आप. मिरर इमेज क्या होगा इसका? ओके, सो मिरर इमेज, इसका मिरर इमेज. ओके, सो मिरर इमेज में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रेटेजी होती है व्हेन यू सॉल्व मिरर इमेज क्वेश्चन. एक इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रेटेजी है, नथिंग बट लेफ्ट हैंड बिकम राइट हैंड, राइट हैंड बिकम लेफ्ट हैंड, दैट्स इट. बाकी ऊपर नीचे कुछ नहीं चेंज करना आपको. लेफ्ट पार्ट बिकम राइट, राइट पार्ट बिकम लेफ्ट, दैट्स इट. सो ये जो अभी देखो, या कोई भी फिगर है उसको देख लो. दिस इज नथिंग बट योर वन फिगर. Okay, this is nothing but your one figure. Okay, this is two dots and this is one dot. So just do one thing. इसको एक मिडल में डिवाइड कर दो. So if I divide in middle, so this is nothing but right part, this is nothing but my left part. So ये right part become left. So this right part become left. So यहाँ पे ये दो डॉट से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड चलेंगे. So this is nothing but this is possible. दिस इज पॉसिबल, बट यहाँ पे दो डॉट नहीं है, सिंगल ही डॉट है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज आंसर, बाकी तो दिख नहीं रहे. सो ऑप्शन सी इज योर राइट. दैट्स इट. नाउ द लास्ट टॉपिक इज नथिंग बट योर वाटर इमेज. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू हैव टू डू इज नथिंग बट यू हैव टू डू अपोजिट ऑफ मिरर इमेज. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई वाज डूइंग, लेफ्ट और राइट को मैं चेंजेस कर रहा था. अभी मुझे लेफ्ट और राइट को चेंज नहीं करना है. यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज लेफ्ट और राइट, जस्ट यू हैव टू चेंज टॉप एंड बॉटम. टॉप का पार्ट बॉटम में आएगा, बॉटम का पार्ट टॉप में आएगा. दैट्स इट. ओके, same thing you have to do for this also. So find out the answer and comment it. Okay, so if you're preparing for MBA entrance 2021 and 2022, so we have two mode of teaching. One is nothing but live class, and other is nothing but classroom coaching. So if you stay near to any one location, then you can contact on this number. Okay, and if you wanted to join our online classroom program, then you have to contact on this number 8828581455. You can also follow us on social media. We are on YouTube, so we have specific channel for MBA entrance. So many or MBA entrants, you have to subscribe this channel immediately. We are also on Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. Just check the link in the description. Thank you so much and all the best.